Namaste and welcome to Artistic Yoga. Today we will continue with our discussion of Shatkarma or purification techniques. We are going to learn Laghu Shanka Prakshalan and Kunjal Kriya. In the morning, before eating or drinking anything, a quantity of warm salt water is made up. 2 cups of the mixed water are drunk quickly, and then 5 special yoga postures are done. Tadasana. Stand erect, legs together, hands by the sides of the thighs. Gaze in front. Interlock your fingers and stretch your arms above the head, palms facing the ceiling. Now slowly raise your heels and stand on the toes. Raise heels as much as you can. Stretch the body as much as possible. While returning to the original position, bring your heels down slowly to the ground first and bring the hands down also. The second asana is Tiryaka Tadasana. Stand with your feet a bit more than shoulder width apart. Interlock your fingers, turning the palms. Inhale as you raise your arms above your head. Exhale as you bend to the side. Inhale as you come back to the center. Repeat on the other side. The third asana is Kati Chakrasana. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Inhale and raise your arms to the shoulder level, keeping the feet flat on the floor. Exhale as you twist the upper body to the right side, wrapping the right arm behind the waist and the left arm onto the right shoulder. Turn the head fully to the right to look behind. Inhale and come back to the center position. Repeat on the other side. The fourth asana is Tiryaka Bhujangasana. Lie on the floor, on your stomach, forehead on the mat, hands placed under the shoulders, feet shoulder width apart. Have the toes curled under and the heels raised up. As you inhale, push up into the cobra pose. And exhale as you twist the upper body, turning the head to look over the shoulder at the left foot. Inhale as you come back to the center position. Repeat on the other side. The last posture is Udara Karshanasana. Squat on both feet. Place the hands on knees. Inhale at the center position. Exhale as you twist the upper body and head, dropping the left knee onto the floor. While twisting and holding for a few moments, push the right knee over the left thigh so as to exert a pressure onto the lower abdomen. Inhale while coming back to the center and slowly repeat on the other side. These asanas are performed 8 times each. After that, 2 more cups of the salted water is drunk, and the 5 exercises are repeated again. The water and exercises are then repeated once more. Usually, by the time 6 glasses have been drunk, a strong bubble movement should be felt and one goes to the toilet. After all the water is passed, the intestines and bowels will be clear of all matter and the stomach and small intestines empty of water. The last cleansing technique for today is Kunjal Kriya. This should be done in the morning on an empty stomach and should be done once a week. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to 2 liters of lukewarm water and drink at least 6 glasses at one stretch. Make sure your hands and nails are clean. Stand near a sink with your legs apart, back bent forward. Place your index and middle fingers in the mouth and rub the back of the tongue. This will induce the vomiting process and the water will gush out of your mouth. Ensure that all the water comes out. Relax. You can lie down if you want and practice deep breathing for a while. This technique helps tone and stimulate the abdominal organs. Excess mucus is also removed. That's all from us at Artistic Yoga for today. Do practice the cleansing techniques. Here's to cleaner insides. Namaste and goodbye.